how to host your website with Infinity Free. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with web hosting for free using Infinity Free. So let's jump right in. To get started, we are just going to log on to infinityfree.com and then click on register on the top right. Once you click on register, you are going to input your email address and then create a suitable password for your Infinity Free account over here. Creating your Infinity Free account is going to allow you to create your website on platforms like WordPress without having to pay for hosting. So we're just going to complete these details and proceed on to the next step. Click on sign up over here. And once you click on sign up, you will receive a confirmation email in your mailbox. So just open up your mailbox to verify your sign up on Infinity Free like so. And once you click on verify your email address will now be verified. Once you do that, you will see a section called your accounts. So click on create account over here to create your account, and you will choose the free version of Infinity Free, which allows you to have access to 5 gigabytes of disk space as well as unlimited bandwidth and unlimited hosted domains. Click on create now over here and choose your domain type. Now, if you already have your own domain name purchased and you just want to connect that, click on custom domain and then you are going to enter your domain name. However, I'm going to be using a subdomain, which is going to be Lily's. Then after that, I can choose the type of free domain extension name that I want. So if I want it to be lilies.infinityfreeapp.com, lilies.great-site.net, lilies.rf.rg. So I think I'm going to use lilies.greatsite.net, then click on check availability. If your name is available, you can proceed with your account label. So this is going to be my basic descriptor, which is going to be our website for Lily's. Then we have our account password. Now over here, you can choose to create a unique password for your Infinity Free website. And then you also have your email consent. Once done, click on create account over here. Now, okay, so our password can only contain capital or small numbers as well as letters. So I'm just going to create another password. And then after that, we are going to click on create account to proceed with our account creation. Once you have completed these 4 steps, click on open control panel. Now, once you click on open control panel, click on I approve. Once you click on I approve, your cPanel with Infinity Free will be loaded up. Now, once your cPanel is loaded up, you will see your options to start building your website. So click on edit website over here. And once you click on edit website, you can now proceed with website creation. Now, in this, you will see directly you have a domain, and you're going to click on Site Builders on top of your Infinity Free account. Now, once you do that, you will see different options for the new site builders. Usually, most people are going to be using a platform like WordPress. So you will see over here, this is currently setting up my account. And once our account setup is complete, then we are going to be able to access our control panel. So currently it's going to be a bit empty. And you will see your remote SQL, your email, metrics, software, advanced, and then support type. You can click on Get Started over here to get started with setting up your panel, as well as loading up your website. You will see that if you're not getting your website loaded up, you will see a notification that it may take upwards of 72 hours for a new domain name or hosting account to start working. So just in case you're not seeing your website, you don't have to worry, just wait a couple of hours to ensure that your website is loaded. Now, click on Create Website, and then once you do, the button will be green if your account setup has been completed, and you can get started with site building on Infinity Free. So you don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to pay for building your site, and your site data will remain safe and secure with Infinity Free. Now, over here using Site Pro, you have some premium templates that you can access as well as free ones. You can go on ahead and choose out a particular niche from the left. So let's say I want to create a personal page, and I will just click on personal page over here. And the ones with a star are premium templates, whereas the ones that are simple are free to use templates. So you can click on select over here, and once you click on select, you can proceed with editing your Infinity Free website. So our hosting section is now complete, and we can move towards our site building. With Infinity Free, you don't have to pay for hosting ever. Even if you are creating multiple different websites, you still are able to use Infinity Free completely without having to create multiple accounts for multiple sites. You can host more than 5, 10, 15 websites on a singular account on Infinity Free. We're going to wait for our website builder to be loaded up so we can proceed with site building using Infinity Free. Now, currently it is loading our page to create our website. So you will see that Infinity Free allows you free access to Site Pro. And Site Pro is a drag and drop based editor. This makes it easy for anyone to build their website using Site Pro. Additionally, you get a free domain in Infinity Free as well. So if you don't have your domain purchased already, you don't have to worry about that either. Now, to get started with your pages in the Infinity Free Site Builder, simply select an element and then you can click on it. And then once you do a double click, you can simply edit the item. So I'll add lilies over here like this. Once I do that, I can actually choose from the different styles that are available. So I'm going to use page title. Then below that, we have different sections. And to view the sections or to view the page structures, we can open up the page structure from the left. You can click on a particular structure element to move towards that element, like so. Now, to replace an image, simply click on the image that is present. You will see the picture will appear on the right. Click on this X icon over here to remove the pre-existing template photo. Click on change picture and you can view their free gallery as well as go ahead and upload your own pictures by clicking on template gallery and upload new picture. Once you do that, you can go on ahead and upload any of your own files. Let's say I want to use this one. So I will just open this up and now I can select my newly uploaded photo. Now, this is totally up to your personal preference how you want to do this. You really have the world as your oyster when you're doing your creative elements within your website. Once completed, click on Publish on the top right to publish your free website using Infinity Free, and you will see your website URL. So Infinity Free is going to give you a free domain as well as a free hosting platform for a professional website. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Infinity Free to create your own website. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.